Did you know that not all services provided to overseas customers can be zero rated? Hi, we are GST Consulting and we specialize in GST. Welcome to our Did You Know series where our GST expert, Eddie, will be discussing common questions regarding GST.
A GST-registered business can only charge GST at 0% on its supply of services if it falls within the definition of international services under Section 21(3) of the GST Act. For example, it is incorrect for a business not to charge GST on its billing to an overseas person if the repair services are performed on equipment in Singapore. If you're an authorized distributor, have you been recovering your cost of repairs from your overseas manufacturer without GST?
Leave a comment if you have any questions and Eddie will be here to answer them. Follow us for the latest GST tips and advice, and don't forget that our GST expert is here to support you with any inquiries you might have.